Well, greetings, friends. This is Calabrios. Josecito Lopez isn't happy about his fight with Marcos Maidana being stopped in the 6th round the other night in Las Vegas. Lopez felt like he was just buzzed a little and could have continued fighting if the referee Lou Moret, hadn't jumped in and stopped the fight. The fight was incredibly close at the time of the stoppage. Two judges had Maidana up 48-47, 48-47, while the third had Lopez up 48-47. Now, Lopez said this after the fight, quote, "I'm not happy with the stoppage. When I can keep fighting, there was a couple of body punches that hurt him. I never thought him landing one good combination led to the fight being stopped. It wasn't just one combination that Maidana landed. He knocked Lopez down with a right hand to the head in the 6th round. After Lopez got up, he was taking shot after shot. I was able to throw anything back, and he wasn't doing a good job of defending himself. The smart thing for Lopez to do would have been to clinch Maidana and try to weather the storm. Lopez wanted some fighting sparring and it cost him with the referee stopping the fight. Lopez took a lot of hard shots in the previous round, and you could see that Maidana hurt him. Now the fight had turned around completely with Maidana dominating the action and Lopez looking like he did in his fight against WBC, like the middleweight champion Sal Canelo Alvarez, with taking a beating. Lopez was overpowered by Maidana. Lopez did a lot better in the 4th round when he was able to back Maidana up with a serious assault that led to Lopez hitting Maidana with a body shot. Maidana's trainer, Robert Garcia, later said that Lopez had hurt Maidana with a legal punch on the hip that really bothered Maidana. He was able to recover from the shot in between rounds. Lopez blew it by not going after Maidana when he had him hurt in the 4th. Lopez was in a post-fight press conference that he should have gone after Maidana in the 4th, but was hesitant due to his power.